hard to gauge, isn't it? Yeah. If he's generally in the right direction, he's probably okay.
Yeah. You got Bavarian Demon in this, Roger?
Yeah. Right. Right. So what do you think to that, Carl? Do you think it's going to go forward when I push forward elevator?
Oh yeah, so you're pushing forward now?
Yeah.
And it's
offset,
45 degrees out, is it?
Yeah, roundabout. Yeah, it's a full blade. And that's aileron.
That's strange.
Yeah, let's take some leap of faith to it.
Let's just get a comparison size of this thing. It's a monster.
Weight mode on the tail.
But these connectors are amazing. I can't Yeah, it's amazing. Yeah, solid work. What's happened to the tail?
What do you mean?
Sounded really good though. In flight it sounded good and smooth and put together properly.
Is that
It did seem a bit more reluctant to turn right than left.
was that you trying to upset it when it was wallowing?
Yes, I was changing the head gain and I just wanted to see how it was responding to an elevator input.
I thought you looked quite calm when it started doing it, so I thought that's got to be Roger.